Alright, so I'm going to show you a card trick, and this card trick is done with a regular deck of playing cards that people use in their own home. So if I was in your home and we were playing cards and you were using the bicycle deck, any deck, I'd be able to show you this card trick, and this is how it goes. This is called the Mystery of the Four Aces and Spin Doctors. So here we go. I happen to have brought with me today my most favorite cards of all in the deck of playing cards, and that would be the Four Aces. So I happen to have with me today the Ace of Clubs, the Ace of Hearts, the Ace of Diamonds, and the dangerous Ace of Spades. Now, one of the interesting things about the Ace of Spades is that in some cultures, this card is known as the death card. So I'm going to save the Ace of Spades, placing it to the bottom, and saving it for last. Now, I'll give the packet a twist, and we're going to call up each ace individually one at a time. Like, let's say, for instance, let's say the Ace of Diamonds. And there's the Ace of Diamonds now. Now, I'll give the packet another twist, and we'll look for, let's say, the Ace of Clubs. And there it is now. So like the Ace of Clubs, it is similar to the Ace of Spades because it's black. So we're going to save the Ace of Clubs and put it on the bottom. I'll give the packet another twist. And now we're going to look for, let's say, the Ace of Hearts. And there it is now. And that's only going to leave me with one card left. And you guessed it, the Ace of Spades. Now, when the Ace of Spades returns, so does all four of my other aces. So I have the Ace of Spades, the Ace of Diamonds, the Ace of Clubs, and the Ace of Hearts. Now I'm going to take the Ace of Spades, and I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to show you what I got left. I happen to have the Ace of Hearts, the Ace of Clubs, and the Ace of Diamonds. And I'm going to make the Ace of Spades vanish. I don't know if you just saw it just then, but the Ace of Spades did indeed vanish. Not the card, but the face. And you'll see that the Ace of Spades has just returned to my hand. And this is known as Spin Doctors from Pagan's a Dog. Catch ya next time. Let's keep it magical.